Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at a cryptocurrency that I think could do very well in the upcoming bull run. And so this cryptocurrency was not around in the other bull run in 2021. So it was just created, it started getting some hype towards the end of the bull run. However, it has not experienced a full bull run yet, and so I think there's a ton of potential for this. And so we're going to be going over that in this video. And so if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And if you're interested in signing up for a new cryptocurrency platform, you can check out MEXC underneath the video. Now, they do have Kaspa, which is the cryptocurrency we're going to be talking about. And so if you're interested in getting in before it is listed on tier 1 exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, you can check out the link underneath the video to MEXC. And so let's go ahead and take a look at Kaspa here, currently trading at 14 cents, and it does have a market cap of 3.3 billion, which may seem very large, right? There may not seem like there's a lot of potential for this. However, I'm going to be explaining why there is still a lot of upside for Kaspa. And so as I mentioned here, this did not experience the previous bull run, right? And so this was trading very low here. We didn't see this towards the end of the bull run. We started to see this spike up. However, during the bear cycle, Kaspa has continued to keep climbing up here. And so we did hit an all-time high here of roughly a $4 billion market cap, and it's currently trading at about 14 cents right now. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the upcoming catalysts for Kaspa here. Someone recently mentioned that smart contracts are going to be coming to Kaspa very soon here, which is going to be the KRC20 ecosystem, which could be very bullish for Kaspa. And so as other cryptocurrencies start building on Kaspa, that's going to draw more attention to Kaspa. It's going to force T1 exchanges to start listing Kaspa as well. And so that's going to include decentralized application, meme coins, and many other cryptocurrencies, which will draw a lot of attention to this. In addition to that, they also have Rust here. And so Rust has been being talked about with Kaspa since it was launched. Now, Rust is an essential update to enhance performance and manage the complexities of block DAG. And so that is the technology that Kaspa uses. This transaction enables the groundbreaking achievement of 10 BPS, which allows for greater scalability and throughput. Now, by increasing the BPS, the potential transactions per second go upwards to 3,000 transactions per second. So that is massive. This is very big for this cryptocurrency. And so in comparison to Bitcoin does roughly 10 to 12 transactions per second. However, this is very similar to Bitcoin as well. And so Bitcoin is a proof of work mechanism. Kaspa also proof of work. And then Kaspa also has a halving cycle as well, very similar to Bitcoin. So we can see here that through all these different phases, right, we're right around 28,000 right now. So we're talking about right around here, right? But you can see after each year here, the amount that is being produced goes in half, right? So 13.75 down to 6.875. And so it does take a while for all of these tokens to be mined. It's going to be 4/7/2037 before every Kaspa is released into circulation, which is 28.5 million. So there's definitely a lot of potential for this. It's not like they're going to be dumping a ton of tokens. And so this is very similar to Bitcoin. So I could see a lot of people that are very bullish on Bitcoin start moving over to Kaspa as smart contracts start getting implemented. So in comparison to another cryptocurrency that was very popular during the last bull run, let's compare this to Cardano. And so Cardano during the last bull run was always mentioning how they're going to bring on smart contracts. They're going to implement all this. However, a lot of it was just talk and we did not see a lot of action. And so we can see this hit about a $90 billion market cap. And so that just shows the potential for Kaspa, right? If we're looking at Kaspa, we're talking 3.3 billion, where Cardano hit a $90 billion market cap. And so there's a ton of upside for this cryptocurrency moving forward. If we do a comparison between the market caps of Kaspa and Cardano here, we can see that there's still roughly a 28x potential, and that would be just Kaspa going to a $90 billion market cap. So right now, Kaspa is a top 50 cryptocurrency without being listed on tier 1 exchanges. Like I mentioned, this is not listed on Coinbase, not listed on Binance. It is not listed on huge exchanges, but it is getting a ton of attention. And so even without being listed on those top tier exchanges, it is still in the top 50 cryptocurrencies. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this as well. Now, since Rust has gone live, we're starting to see some of the Rust nodes be mined. And so we're going to start seeing this transition more and more from Go nodes to Rust nodes. So definitely showing some utility there as well. And so let's go ahead and take a look at some of the ecosystems that are planning to be built on Kaspa. And so this is going to be the first protocol for the Kaspa ecosystem. This is Kasplex here. And so they are mentioning that the project is getting close to launching KRC20, and so they have been continuously working with them, and so I do expect this to come in the next couple of weeks, which will drive the price of Kaspa up. Now, in addition to that, if we take a look at another cryptocurrency that's very similar to Kaspa here, it is Teraxa. And so they're also focusing on block dig as well. And this is a cryptocurrency that's also focusing on smart contracts and implementing a lot of this here. And so this cryptocurrency is a lot smaller than Kaspa. We're talking only $40 million market cap. And so I'm not saying that this cryptocurrency is better or worse than Kaspa. However, there is much more upside potential here. And so if we do a comparison between Terra and Kaspa here, we can see that Terra and Kaspa at the current price is an 82x. Right? And so let's say Kaspa goes up to a $100 billion market cap. You could just imagine where the potential of Terra could be. Now, if we say a 30x return on Kaspa, we may be looking at a 100x return on Terra. So definitely something to keep in mind. As I mentioned here, they're also focusing on block dig technology. And so Teraxa is an EVM compatible smart contract platform based on T-graph consensus utilizing block dig with many world first technical innovations. And so this cryptocurrency always seems to pump with Kaspa. However, I don't think as many people are aware of Teraxa as they are Kaspa. And so definitely a cryptocurrency to be keeping an eye on. And like I mentioned, I do expect Kaspa price to start appreciating over the next couple of weeks and months, especially if they announce an official launch date for the smart contracts moving forward. And then Rust has also gone into the testing phase. And so I think that's very bullish for Kaspa moving forward. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for future content. And if you're interested, make sure to check out that link underneath the video to MEXC, where you can buy Kaspa and Teraxa if you're interested in either one of those cryptocurrencies. Now, they have some of the lowest fees out of all cryptocurrency exchanges in the crypto space. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.